How to use the patient profile check via WEBDesk. After logging on to WEBDesk, click the Patient Profile Check button on the main menu. If this is your first time using the feature, you will be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions. You have an option to do a standard or advanced search. With each option, you must have the patient's ID number at hand. When using the standard search option, the patient's information will be revealed in a grid-type layout. If you choose the advanced search option, the patient's data will be returned with additional information, including their ID photo. Altron HealthTech, delivering innovation that matters.